How to make redstone on and off button switch in Minecraft. So first, what you want to do, just simply get any random block you want and just simply place it right there and get a button and just simply put it here on the front of that block. Get some redstone dust, so place 3 bits right here. Then get another block and just put it right there. Then get your redstone torch and place it here on this side, just like so. Once that's done, you will simply need to get a repeater and put it right here on the front. Now go to this side on this angle and place another one and another one into it. Now go here on the top of the block and place it on this angle. So it should be looking like that. Now just simply get a block again and put it right here on the top right hand corner of the circuit that we made and just put a redstone torch right there. Now we're just gonna connect it with some redstone dust. So it should be looking like this. Once that's done, I'm just gonna extend it right here and place a block that you want to power up. So let's say I want to power up a redstone lamp. Once it's done, just go back here on the button that we made. And when you click on it, as you can see, the redstone lamp will light up and it will stay lit up. And if you want to close it off, just simply click on the button again. As you can see, it will turn off just like so. And that's how I basically make a redstone on and off button switch in Minecraft.